We pride ourselves on always doing things the right way. We do that with our products. We want to make sure we're doing that with our finances as well. Thermo Fisher is the largest science supply company in the world. The company has grown very significantly over the last many years. We are very good at growing organically, and we're also growing through acquisition. And with it comes additional challenges. When we're thinking about data coming in from a multitude of different ERPs that we've got around the world, it's all got to be harmonized so that it can be used in a consistent method throughout our organization. We decided it was time to go with a company-wide planning solution. It was really an easy decision to go to Oracle Cloud. We can now bring data in at a much more granular level than we ever did before, do some realistic predictive analytics around forecasting and budgeting on individual product lines and SKUs, and it's going to give us more profitability at the end of the day. As we continue to grow as an organization, we can count on Oracle being here with us many years into the future.